First of all, I want to say congratulations to Arsenal fans across the city. Secondly, I want to welcome you to Shirkat. This is the home of your pride. Third, some of you who knows me and those who do not know me, my name is Yaya. I would wish to make some few announcements before we go to our program. Beside to my right and my left are the chair of the board of Arsenal Fund, Tempa Pukormajo. To my right is Akwe Petro, is a member of the board. This is the chair of this event. And myself, I'm the planner and chief organizer for this event too. We want to tell you that APT is the pride of Shirkat, and they have honored Arsenal to do such event of organizing the last match of the season. We know we are many in Shirkat and across the city, but we have decided to please all the Arsenal fans by coming together. You have seen how the facility has been arranged for you. You should say thank you to APT. Another one is the seating arrangement. You have seen how the seats are arranged. In the interest of time, and for now, you are allowed to take photos, but you are not entitled to sit until we tell you this is where you will sit. Secondly, don't touch anything because any damage will be borne on us, and we are known to be peaceful fans across the country. Don't take any chair for you to dance. Leave your arms up or get any other stick that can support you. Don't litter the ground because you got it very clean. If there is any bottle on your foot, please pick it up and throw it where it's supposed to belong. The last thing is that we will dance after the game. The priority for calling you to APT was to watch the game together. Already we have won. Is there anyone who is still worried? No! So we are the champion. So we call you purposely to work together like the country is seeing you. The leadership of this country is happy with the youth on the way you are treating yourself. I know the leadership will give some brief recognition later. This book is full of recognition. We are going to recognize the village, the lost suburb you are coming from. So wait for that. Finally, we are going to have some service. It will not be enough, but we will ask 2 to 3 people to share at least something. Unfortunately, you know our budget constraint, so we are encouraging you, if there is anything in your pocket, buy a bottle of water, although we have budgeted some water for you. But as we wait for our budgetary implementation, please bear with us for now. So these are a few announcements I just want to announce to you. I want to give it to the chairman of the organizing committee to put 1, 2, 3 before we allow you to celebrate. And later we'll put an interruption where we go and take such service which are already in the building. So Akui Pedro, welcome and greet your fans.
If I say Arsenal, you say the champions. Yes. Arsenal! 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 Thank you so much. Some people will not understand why this energy. Because they think it is an easy thing. But it is not easy, that's why they took 30 years for another club to win it. And that's why it is taking 13 years for another small club to win it. It has taken us 22 years, and finally we are here. We are working with the Premier League to put a rule where a team that spends 14 years without Premier League will be relegated. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your home. Welcome to APT Center. We have called you here today to watch our game as a family. So we do not want anyone to use what is for sitting for dancing. Leave the chairs, don't touch any chair, and there are spaces we are going to leave for our guests. When we tell you to do that later, the chairperson of the National Board of Directors, 1 minute to greet you at Rimpa. The chairman will speak later. He sends you greetings, but he says let them dance, they are happy. DJ!
Captain Modiga di Kesaka, Aloy Loida, Gabriel Maglas, who were me, Kevin Master, Minister of Defense, worldwide.
Yes, I'm back. There's one important facility that we have not announced to you officially, though you know it. Our washrooms are back there at the corner. We have for ladies and for gentlemen. The advice is, please don't misuse it, because if you misuse it, the next person will not use it. Okay? Go ahead.
Sunday.